The market theme as China joint stance, Trump and Xi agree on blocking Iran's nuclear path and ensuring the Strait of Hormuz remains open for global trade. China opposes militarizing the strait and may buy more US oil to reduce reliance on the region. OPEC's WTI oil prices stays firm near $101 a barrel. The two big positive catalysts. 1. The Dow Jones Industrial Average tops the 50,000 milestone, a historic psychological break, especially alongside fresh records for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. 2. FIIs remain net buyers in yesterday's trade. Our call of the day vertical bar, it's likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty and hopefully, Nifty may end the week with a bang. The technical structure has shifted from cautious to a relief-led, bullish bias in the short term. Bottom line, happy days are here again, as technically the Nifty's make-or-break support continues to stand at the psychological 23,300 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 188 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 685 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some massive rebound play. FNOMA month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled near 18.61 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, has spiked near 95.78 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.00 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.79. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.47. Midcap Nifty is at 1.26. Nifty Outlook Nifty could rally sharply, with a strong possibility of reclaiming the psychological 24,000 mark. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,690. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,451 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,550 and 24,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 75,399. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,527 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,000 to 76,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,129. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 53,191 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,439 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 55,100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. There is a bright chance that Nifty extends its gains in today's trade. Investor sentiment is supported by 1. Strong corporate earnings. 2. Optimism around the ongoing US-China summit. 3. Hopes of easing geopolitical tensions. Buying interest is likely to be broad-based, with strength likely in banking, pharma, metals, energy, and FMCG stocks, while the IT sector could continue to lag. Stocks in spotlight. Several notable Indian companies are scheduled to announce their Q4 FY26 earnings on Friday, 15th May. Key names investors are likely to track include Tata Steel, Power Grid, Solar Industries, SAIL, NHPC, Hindustan Copper, Cochin Shipyard, Godrej Industries, Godfrey Phillips, ITC Hotels, Gland Pharma, Deepak Nitrite, Ratnamani Metals, Ather Industries, Azad Engineering, Balrampur Chini. VST Tillers. 1. DLF, plus 1.58%, 583 rupees, mildly positive despite weak revenue. Net profit slipped marginally by 1.06% YoY to 1,268.56 crore rupees. Revenue dropped sharply by 42% YoY to 1,814.06 crore rupees. Why did the stock still rise? The market focused on stable profitability despite lower revenue, Strong balance sheet and premium housing demand outlook. Expectations of continued cash flow generation from luxury projects. Near-term view, neutral to mildly bullish if luxury real estate demand remains strong. 2. Keynes Technology, minus 20.15%, 33.37, sharp negative reaction. Net profit fell 21.5% YoY to 91.2 crore rupees. Revenue rose strongly by 26.5% YoY to 1,242.6 crore rupees. The market was disappointed by margin pressure and profit decline despite strong sales growth. Very high valuation expectations already priced into the stock. Concerns about execution, operating leverage, or rising costs. Market interpretation: when expectations are extremely high, even decent numbers can trigger heavy selling if margins disappoint. 3. All India, plus 2.06%, 518, strong bullish earnings reaction. Consolidated Q4 profit surged 62% YoY. Driven by higher crude production, better price realization. All India's earnings beat expectations. Breaking a 52-week high after results indicates strong institutional buying interest. Near-term view, bullish momentum may continue if crude prices remain supportive.